you so late? Your mama had to pull up your pants this morning?
This is my life, but today seems worse than others. I try to laugh it off and pretend like it's okay, but every insult stings. And things like this don't help either. Great. Another bad test.
Overall, you guys did well. There were some great marks. Our highest mark was a 96%. Excellent work to that person. Unfortunately, there was someone who scored a 14%. I hope you strive to improve for next time.
Ugh, fantastic. Prom is coming up soon. I think this actually might be my chance to ask that girl out.
Heard you didn't have a date to prom. Was your mom already taken?
Maybe it would be best if I don't ask her out. It's not like I have a chance with her anyway.
You're such a loser. You can't even do anything right. You fail your test miserably and you can't even get me out of your head. Maybe it's time to get some real therapy instead of crying alone in your room. I'd help you out if I was even here.